Hey, what's up guys? I'm Steve from SA Tech Reviews. Today we're stepping outside with the TP-Link EAP110 Outdoor AP, and I'm putting it to test on my 10,000 square meter yard to see if I can get decent Wi-Fi coverage across my yard to my security cameras using this device. I'll be putting it through its paces, testing it at different meters, different ranges, doing download speeds and ping to see how well it performs short range, and obviously if it holds up to the claimed 200 meter range that TP-Link puts on the box. If you look in the box, you'll find the device itself, the PoE injector, its power cord, some mounting clamps, screws, cable ties, manual. No Ethernet cable included though. The actual hardware setup of this system or device is fairly easy. You get the PoE injector with a short power plug. You'll plug this in close to your main router. The Ethernet cable will go into one of the open ports on your router, and then the other Ethernet cable coming from the PoE injector will go into the little Ethernet port on the device, which is accessible by opening up the latch. So firstly, plug the Ethernet cable into the LAN port of your PoE injector, and then the other end of that will go into any open port on your router. Your longer Ethernet cable will go into the PoE port on the injector, and that you will run to wherever you want to mount the actual TP-Link EAP device, and that just plugs into the back of the device. Then you slot over the compartment to make it waterproof and mount your unit. The setup using the Omada app is quite easy. Download the Omada app, create an account, sign in, make sure you connect it to the same network that the TP-Link router is plugged in. Whichever router you plugged into the TP-Link, connect to that one. Go to the standalone mode, select EAP, create a wireless password, Wi-Fi name, pretty much hit submit. You'll have the options to select it as a two modes, AP, access point, or repeater. I use an access point because I want to have a different Wi-Fi network out on my plot that my security cameras can connect to. But it's fairly easy, it takes less than a minute, it's set up and starts working immediately. And I can access the new network here using the example password I put in. There's lots of details online, but it's a fairly simple process. For the setup of this device, I wanted to try get Wi-Fi to my gate, which is over 100 meters away. Just hung it on my patio just to get some direct line of sight testing. Overall, the numbers were pretty impressive. I tested from 10 meters all the way up to 100. Did basic speed tests. I did use a Wi-Fi signal strength app at a few of the milestones just to see how it was performing, but overall it performed quite well. It gives you decent internet. I was able to stream videos, Netflix, and yeah, you can see it starts to break down at about the 100 meter range. Now at the back of my house, about 20-30 meters away, I wasn't able to connect to the Wi-Fi, so even though it's omnidirectional, it seems to have a tough time sending that signal backwards. Hey, so there you have it, the TP-Link EAP110 wireless outdoor AP. If you've got a big yard or a business application, not sure if it'll give you 200 meters of Wi-Fi, but up to 130 meters tested. Fairly decent Wi-Fi, and for the purpose that I needed to connect wireless security cameras to it, I think it's going to do the job just fine. I've used the EAP225, which is about double the cost, for about 2 years. I'll do a review on that one next and compare how that performs to the EAP110 to let you know if you need to spend a bit more or if you can get away with the cheaper one. I'm quite chuffed with how the cheaper one performs. for about $1,000. I think it's quite a budget price to get long-range Wi-Fi. So that's it from this review. Like, subscribe, follow me. I'm going to try posting a video a week on some sort of device or gadget, and I appreciate you watching.